welcome back to my channel, Amazing Jean Javier. I hope you are having an amazing day, just like me. You know why? Because today, introduce ko sa inyo ang isang ginagamit kong produkto. Actually, napapasaya niya ako kasi mahilig ako mag-bake at walang iba kundi ito ang joy of baking. Kaya nga na-inspire akong gawin yan. Medyo na-challenge din ako. Kaya kayong mga homemakers, mga nagbe-bake dyan sa bahay, mga momshies, pwede na rin mga popshies, mga aunties, lola, mga tita, oh my God. Kayang-kaya nyo to. Basta sundan nyo lang to ha, yung aking instruction. Ginawa ko to, chinagaan ko talaga to, kinumpleto ko to para sa inyo, para ma-enjoy nyo rin ang joy of baking. Yan ang gamit ko. Actually, this is produced by Agri-Pacific, brand of quality flours. Introduce ko yan ngayon sa inyo sa vlog na to at makikita ninyo yung step-by-step procedure. Medyo kasi itong gagawin kong to, may konting element of surprise. At malalaman nyo yan sa bandang dulo. I just wanna talk about muna kung ano yung sinasabi kong joy of baking. Kasi ito yung mas lalo siyang nakakatulong sa kusina, lalo na tayo mga, sa totoo lang nitong pandemic, di ba? Halos lahat tayo naging baker. Di ba? Homemade baking, halos lahat makikita natin sa mga feeds natin, di ba? Sa social media, halos lahat natuto na mag-bake. Di lalo na kapag ang gamit pa natin, etong joy of baking flour na to. Sobrang dekalidad siya. Actually, there are 4 variants. Ang tinatawag nila na yung kanilang hero product, which is yung complete bread mix. Kasi may kasama na tong yeast. As in, kumpleto na siya. Of course, di rin mawawala ang all-purpose flour, ang cake flour, at ang bread flour. Yan, yung 4 na yan. And they all contain vitamins and minerals and rich in nutrients like vitamin A and iron. Yan, fortified with iron pa. Saan ka pa, di ba? Saan ka makakita ng flour na napaka-healthy, di ba? So, meron tayong option talaga dito na maging healthy. Bukod sa napapasarapan niya yung gawa natin ng mga ating baked products sa bahay, healthy pa. Healthy pa yung napapakain natin sa pamilya natin. At saka, eto pa, yung gagawin ko ngayon, na makikita nyo later, is pwede din siyang gawing negosyo. Kung ayaw nyo gawing negosyo, pagkain sa house. At pwede rin siyang gawing pang regalo, pang gift, di ba? Gift ano siya, idea actually. Kasi maraming mahilig kumain ngayon, di ba? Katulad ko. Actually, itong gagawin ko talaga to. Matagal ko na tong gustong gawin or kainin. Hindi lang ako nakaka-order. So, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, why not coconut? Di gagawa na lang ako na para sa akin, di ba? Para sa pamilya ko. Mas sigurado pa na best quality syempre yung gagawin ko. Tapos, iba talaga yung feeling kasi, di ba, na yung sariling hirap natin, sariling pagod, tapos nandun pa yung passion natin, tapos inspired pa tayo gumawa. Tapos, makikita natin na ma-appreciate ng family natin yung gawa natin. Diba? Iba talaga yung feeling na yun. Yung sobrang walang kapalit. Napaka-priceless niya. Tsaka ito-treasure mo talaga yung moment niya. And every time na magbe-bake ka, tapos kakainin nila, feeling mo talaga, tapos nasarapan sila, gustong-gusto nila, they want more, gagawa ka na naman uli, para lang sa kanila. Iba yung achievement talaga. Achieve talaga Anyway, nako, ang dami ko na sinasabi. Eto na, makikita nyo na, basta may element of surprise. Sasabihin ko na nga, I'm going to make the famous Korean cream cheese garlic bread. Di ba? Alam nyo yon. This time I'll be using Joy of Baking's all-purpose flour and its active dry yeast. Here are the ingredients for the bread. So for our Korean cream cheese garlic bread, stir in the active dry yeast with the warm water. Then set it aside for 2 to 3 minutes to let it dissolve. Mix all together the Joy of Baking all-purpose flour and the rock salt, Then the sugar. There you go. You can mix it using a hand mixer or via an electronic mixer. Pour the water with the dissolved yeast. Slowly but surely, my dear. Just continue with the mixing until the dough gets a bit shaggy. This is a bit tasky, but this is definitely worth the wait, I assure you. Just mix it using your tender love and care. Just continue kneading it manually, or you can also use a rolling pin. Shape the dough into a ball and let it proof in a covered bowl in a warm area until it doubles its size about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Like this one. See, it has doubled its size. Once it has doubled, punch it down. Fold it onto itself a few times to tighten the dough. Divide it into 6 equal pieces. Tuck and roll each piece of dough into a smooth, tight ball. Line them up in a parchment sheet pan about 2 to 3 inches away from each other, like this one. Cover it, let it proof in a warm area for 45 minutes to 1 hour until it doubles its size. Brush each dough with a beaten egg wash we have prepared earlier. Bake the bread until it's golden brown for 20 to 25 minutes under 350 degrees Fahrenheit. How to make the cream cheese filling? It's so easy. Combine the softened cream cheese and sugar in a mixing bowl. Whisk the cream cheese until smooth and the sugar is incorporated. Now for the garlic butter. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together all the ingredients for the garlic butter until completely smooth. That includes the whole milk, the melted butter, the sugar, the garlic, the parsley, and the 2 large eggs. See? Mix them well first, then heat the mixture over a pot of water with simmering water until the sugar is completely dissolved. Do not overheat. Our freshly baked breads. Cut them into 8 equal wedges and make sure not to completely cut through the bread. Ready for the cream cheese piping? Fill in between each wedge, but be careful not to break those wedges, okay? Once the bread has been filled with cream cheese, dip the entire bread into the garlic butter mix. Just make sure the garlic butter coats in between the wedges as well. Then pipe the remaining cream cheese filling in the center of each bread and sprinkle the salt. Bake the bread for 8 to 10 minutes under 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After 10 minutes, here's the finished product. My Korean cream cheese garlic bread. This one is a classic and this one is with bacon. That's the twist I am telling you. Hi! Nakita niyo na, natapos din, di ba? All's well that ends well. And thank you so much. I hope ma-follow ninyo yung mga instructions na nilagay ko dito sa vlog na to. Pinatsagaan ko talaga yan na para sa inyo. And also, nakita niyo na yung sinasabi kong element of surprise, right? Nilagyan ko pa ng additional na bacon bits. Yung ating cream cheese. Nakita niyo naman, di ba? Meron tayong pinroduce na binake na cream cheese bread na merong bacon. And, alam nyo ba, favorite na nila yun dito. Bagong favorite nila kasi nilagyan ko pa ng ganong touch. Yun yung tinatawag na amazing Jing's touch. At least, diba, kahit pa paano, hindi lang basta yung plain ng cream cheese, yung flavor. So, if ever man na manawa sila doon, meron pang additional option. Or, kung gagawin nating negosyo ito, there are 2 variants. Pwedeng dalawang option mamili sila. It's either yung plain na cream cheese or cream cheese with bacon bits. Masarap kaya. Iba rin kasi yun, parang may touch of bacon siya. Yung saltiness niya, tapos na miss din na nagtatalo siya sa yung creamy at cheesy flavor na medyo may pagkaasim din yung cream cheese. Sa totoo lang, kapag natikman ninyo, tapos may garlic butter pa tayo, di ba? Na nilagyan pa natin ng parsley. Ay, gusto. Iba talaga. Iba talaga yung sarap na. Tapos, binake pa. Iba talaga din talaga pag binibigay. Tsaka, syempre, lalong iba kapag ang gamit is yung ating Joy of Baking products. Nakita nyo naman, ang ginamit ko yung all-purpose flour at saka yung yeast. Diba? Napaka convenient. At saka, hindi naman siya mamahalin, guys. Murang-mura lang siya. It's around, yung complete bread mix is only 75 pesos. And then the rest, na yung tatlong pang variants, 60 pesos. Na, mapapurchase nyo siya, available siya sa Shopee, at sa Lazada, at saka sa iba pang mga resellers online. Ayan, makikita nyo yan sa Facebook page. Ilalagay ko dito. Kanila mga social media accounts. Ayan. Thank you ha. Thank you so much talaga. At hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita, sana balik-balikan nyo lang itong channel ko. Baka kasi meron na dito, matatagpuan niyo yung hinahanap niyo. Search lang. Okay? Check lang every time. Marami naman kayo makikita sa channel kong to eh. And I'd like to say my special thanks to Agri Pacific brand, lalo na sa kanilang Joy of Baking na talaga naman napapasaya ako, kami mga bakers at aming mga pamilya at lahat halos mga nakaka-experience nito. Thank you so much for giving us this kind of healthy product. Ayan, na murang-mura pa. Abot kaya ng bulsa. Such a joy. Thanks again. Bye, amazing peeps. Have an amazing day.